Hi guys, in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to get started with OpenSea. So if you're new to OpenSea and do not have an account, never been before in OpenSea, I'm gonna show you how it works for beginners. So let's get started. So first of all, you wanna have your browser open. Right now I'm using my browser Firefox, and what I did, I just searched up OpenSea. But if you guys are having trouble searching up OpenSea and not sure where to click, I will put down the OpenSea link down below where you can access it, as well as all of the other information that you might need. I will put it down in the description down below. So just go to the OpenSea website, and then what you will need is a MetaMask account first. It doesn't have to be a MetaMask account. MetaMask is just a crypto wallet where you store your crypto in it. Other crypto wallet works as well. So you need a crypto wallet in order to create an OpenSea account. So it can be like a Coinbase wallet or let's see over here. But so if you click on this over here, if you're in the OpenSea website, click on this one, wallet. It will give you a bunch of options. So there's a MetaMask wallet, Coinbase wallet, Wallet Connect, Ledger, Phantom, Bitkeep. And if you click on show more, it'll show you a bunch of other wallets. So if you click on that, show more, hold on. It'll give you, hold on, let me do that again. So if you click on show more and you scroll down, oh God, let me do it again. Show more and go down. It'll give you a bunch of different wallets. But right now, what I use is MetaMask wallet. So, but other wallets work as well. But I suggest that you use MetaMask wallet. It's just because that I use MetaMask wallet and MetaMask wallet works very, very well. So you gotta have a MetaMask wallet first. You have to create a MetaMask wallet. If you don't have a MetaMask wallet yet, you can't proceed to this video. You have to watch other videos about MetaMask wallet, on how to create MetaMask wallet and how to add the MetaMask wallet extension on your browser. If you don't know how to do that yet or still have to do that and you don't know, I will put videos about that. I will put them in the description down below on how to create or add the MetaMask extension on your browser. I will put that in the link down below so you guys can watch that. If you don't know, if you don't have a MetaMask wallet yet or don't know how to create one, I will put that in the link down below. However, if you already have a MetaMask wallet, or yeah, if you already have a MetaMask wallet, you can just click on this over here, wallet over here, and then click on MetaMask wallet. And what it will do is that when you create your OpenSea account and you have a MetaMask wallet, what will happen is that your OpenSea account will link to your MetaMask wallet, and your MetaMask wallet will link to your OpenSea. So I'm just gonna log in. Right now, I click on the option MetaMask, and now it's giving me the option to unlock my MetaMask account. So I'm gonna unlock it very quickly. So I just type in my password and I'm gonna unlock it. So I'm just gonna wait for it. Okay. So if you guys are not sure what OpenSea is, actually, I should have explained this in the beginning, but I couldn't. OpenSea is a place where you buy NFTs, sell NFTs, and trade NFTs. And you can also create your own NFTs. But OpenSea is an NFT marketplace. So so we're already here. So I've unlocked my MetaMask account and I've connected my MetaMask to my OpenSea. So now it's connected, and this is what my profile looks like. So my profile is called Arellanos73. If you're new to OpenSea and just created it, it probably won't like show you like a name that you want or like a specific name that you want. It'll show you like a random name, like a name something 47, but it's gonna be random. But you can change that later on. So over here it shows my my wallet address. This is my MetaMask wallet address. This is what I use to receive crypto in a MetaMask wallet. And your MetaMask wallet address is also your OpenSea wallet address. So your OpenSea wallet address it's what I use to receive NFTs. So I use my OpenSea wallet address to receive NFTs from other people. So if they want to send NFTs to my OpenSea, I can just send this to them and then they can send the NFT using my address. And over here, it just shows my total balance. So right now, my wallet contains, this is my wallet, and it contains Ethereum worth of $2.19 US dollar. And you have USDC in the Polygon network worth 9 cents in US dollars. And then I have a Matic over here, which is in the Polygon network worth $3.56 in US dollars. So over here, it shows the crypto, and over here, it shows the network it's in. So yeah, that's what it is. So right now, I'm just gonna click over here on the profile. So if you wanna go to your profile, click on that circle thingy. So this is what my profile looks like. So if you're on this page, this is your profile. So it will say like your username there, profile picture, and your wallet address. Also, it will show you your assets in your OpenSea account. If you're new to OpenSea, it probably won't show much of assets because you don't have much assets yet. And over here, when you click, this is collected, this is the NFTs that you've collected. And then in the created section, it's what you've created. And then over here in the favorite section, it's what is your favorite. And then over here in the activity section, it'll show you stuff that you did, transactions that you did in a OpenSea account. If you received an NFT from someone, or if you've sent an NFT to someone, it will show here in the activity section. So over here, if you scroll down, you'll see the type of thing that you did. So I did transfer. This is the item, and then the price, the quantity, and then from, and then to, and then the time. And if you click on it more, it'll show you about the details. Right now, I'm hovering on it and it shows me the time and the date. And then if you click on it, it'll show you more stuff about it. Now, if you go over here on the more, it'll see offers made, offers received, active listings, inactive listings, and hidden. Now, I'm not going to talk about all of this, but I'm going to talk about hidden. So sometimes when you play an NFT game and you have an NFT that is sent to you or NFT that you're supposed to have, you're gonna want to look at over here, right? Collected, because it's the NFTs that you collected, but sometimes it doesn't show there. So sometimes some of the NFTs it's hidden. So if you can't find it, go over here on the hidden section. So I'm gonna go over here in the hidden section, and what's gonna happen? It's gonna show me more NFTs that I have. So if it doesn't show on the collected area, it's gonna show here in the hidden section. So yeah. So this is what OpenSea is. And here in OpenSea, when you want to buy stuff, you you use crypto to buy stuff. You use crypto to buy stuff, and each different NFTs, see each different NFTs use specific crypto to sell their items. So over here, if I go on my wallet over here, I'm gonna click on my wallet over here. You'll see that I have a bunch of different cryptos that I have. So sometimes other NFTs use USDC in the Polygon network. Sometimes other NFT use Matic in the Polygon network. Sometimes use Ethereum, but it depends. So just want to keep that in mind. But I'm not gonna show you on a how you actually like buy NFT here in the OpenSea area. If you wanna know about how to buy NFTs in the OpenSea, I will put on a link down below in the description on how to buy like NFTs assets in the OpenSea. Also, you can't buy NFT directly from your credit or debit here in OpenSea. Like I said, you need crypto, right? So what you gotta do first is make sure that you have enough crypto on your OpenSea wallet. And if you don't, then you have to add NFT. If you don't have enough crypto in your wallet, you have to add um crypto in your wallet. And if you're not sure how to add crypto on your OpenSea wallet, I will have another video for that on how to on how to add crypto on your NFT wallet. I mean, on how to add crypto in your MetaMask, no, and how to add crypto on your OpenSea wallet. If you don't know how to add like funds, crypto funds in your OpenSea wallet, I have a video for that, and I will put it down on the link below. But those are just some of the things that I wanted to talk about in this OpenSea tutorial for beginners and people that are new to it. That's all. And if you've learned from this video and like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and all of our other videos as well. Like, subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell, and comment down below what you want to learn more. Any suggestions, any questions, and if there's anything that you need help with, just comment it down below so that we can create those videos for you and we can all learn. That is it for this video. Bye bye.